Hello YouTubers and YouTubettes. So, welcome back to Shelby's Garage. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly clean your old sterling silver that's been tarnished or whatever. So I have a glass dish here that I'm heating up and I'm going to boil this water in it. And so then, once the water starts boiling, I'm going to, with the shiny side up, submerge aluminum foil in it that I've crumpled up. And so from there, I will take my pieces that I'm going to clean and put them in baking soda, and then put them into the water on top of the aluminum foil. And within a couple seconds, that will clean my tarnished silver right up. And so once this water gets boiling, I will show you that part. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got my foil, shiny side up. I crumple it up real quick. Yeah, it's crumpled. Now I'm going to uncrumple it. Oh, that doesn't matter. Alright. Put that in the boiling water. Put some baking soda in there. Now, start putting my spoons in here on this. And some of these spoons have been in a fire, like this one here has been in a fire, so we'll see how good it does. Same with this one here. And as you can see, like with that one right there in the middle, instantly it started getting better. Yeah, so this is actually the second time I am filming this. Somehow the file corrupted the first time, and so what you should do is at this point you kind of brush them softly with a soft toothbrush, but I don't have a toothbrush to do that with. And so what I'm going to do is take them out one by one with a rag I've got and just wipe them with a rag, and the dirt that's on them just wipes right off. It's pretty amazing how good this works. I'll show you. I mean, it's been only like 10 seconds or so. You can see like already how good it works. See? So, anyways, I'm gonna take them all out, flip them over, give it 10 more seconds, and then I'm gonna wipe them all down, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so these are the same spoons, so from that to that in only seconds. Definitely I give it 2 thumbs up. Definitely my seal of approval. Maybe the person who gives me my 100th like on this video, I'll send them a spoon. They're pure silver and they're from the mid 1800s. This one's a JB McFadden. Anyways, till the next video. Have a good one.